Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Today, I will make a lotso house.
I want to grill BBQ too.
The floor have color of wood and wall got purple, white and yellow. Border on window follow the color of wall. Let's cut this foam so we can have a window. Cutting follow the line. Delicate windows. I will make the dining room first. The table will have strawberry pattern. This is the table's legs. This cute clay is for the chair. Put on the purple clay and print it. This thing with little heart is the back of the chair. Pearls and Formex for the stand. This net will be our curtain. Hang on the wood stick, adding lace and pearl chain. Tie on both sides with this ribbon. Adding bowtie. Pearls behind. Are you hungry? Let's make a donut. Stretch the clay like this so it's look like melted. Pink nose, black eyes. Don't forget ears so we can have lotso's donut. Recycle this tiny bottle to make flowers base. What do you think of Lotso's dining room? I want to try that donut. Next, I will make a kitchen. Take this golden bead and pearl to be a knob. Add doors on the cabinet we just did. This hole for the sink. Black marble counter. When talking about kitchen, we need a stove. Let's see how I make a gas stove with this clay. Surround the yellow clay with pink one. The special thing is this stove got ears. 2 circles are where you take the heat. These beads are for lights and down here it's stove controls. Recycle straw to make a faucet.
Huh? Let's put something in the basket. The strawberries are looking good.
barbecue, cause I will make a grills. Counter also black. Ensemble metal around. 3 lights. Cutting white straw to small pieces so we can have grills legs. The biggest thing is the top cabinet. Cover with pink paper. 2 doors on it with knobs. I will adding more to this side. These are long shelves. When you cooking, there will be a lot of smoke, so I make a vent for smoke. It's also got 3 lights. Let's grill. When we're waiting, I'll make a fridge. The fridge will white inside and pink outside. Cut small piece of copper. Curve it to make handle of the fridge. Lots of stickers. Coca for fun party.
That looks so yummy. I want to taste it. Oh, wow!
You sit here. You sit here. We still missing someone.
Aha!
Half of the house is finished. Which room can we do next? Yay! It's living room. We will need a big clay for this. Rolling then shaping it. Adding 3 doors with golden knobs so we can have cabinet for living room. Think I will put a lamp on. Pick a red clay then shape it. Poke, poke, poke. Green leaves on top. These bead for stand. Barbie.
You call me?
Yes, I want to make the mask for you. This mask is also have lots of face. Pink cheeks, cutie ears. Adding strings both sides. Let's dress up for Barbie.
The mask keep me safe when I go out.
Next thing, the sofa. This sofa have lots of head. Cover cardboard with pink clay. Big yellow area for pink nose. Big round eyes. Small eyebrows. Smiley mouth. Adding the seat and armchair. Print on the clay so we have pretty cushions. Hot pink pearls for legs. Yellow lace surround round pink. Diamond chain outside. Recycle bottle cap for stand. Make a small shelf to put in front of sofa. It got light pink inside and cover with red checkered. Silver pearls for legs.
You gotta know about me. I'm a hugger.
Let's check out our living room. The Lotso house is completed.